Hi everyone, thanks for watching us. This is Muchen World. Today is a big day because we will compare 5 handheld cordless vacuum cleaners. We'll go through all tests like ease of use, cleaning, emptying, maneuverability, weight, and also battery runtime. So that's why please stay with us because we're going to show you who's the best one, and write in the comment section below which flagship is your favorite one. As you can see in our showroom, we have various types of products, especially vacuum cleaners. We would like to compare these followings, which are Redroad V17, Dreame V11, and also we have 2 Dyson vacuum cleaners, which are Dyson V15 and Dyson Omni-glide, and the last one will be Xiaomi G10. Okay, let's get started. Talking about design, I'll probably say that all of them look pretty good. Personally, I love minimalism and I'm not a big fan of purple color, but who knows, maybe you like it the most. So I give my choice to the Xiaomi G9 and the Redroad V17. Let's take a look at the prices first. Dyson V15 is the most expensive one. The price starts from 699 USD. The cheapest is Redroad V17. It's only 275 USD. Xiaomi G10 and Dreame V11 are priced at around 300 USD. According to the sheet, you can see that the Redroad, Dreame, and Xiaomi kind of share pretty same motor. Look at the data. Redroad, Dreame, and Xiaomi, all of them generate around like 150-155 AR watts. So what about Dyson V15 was pretty much impressive with 238 AR watts. And the last one will be of course the Dyson Omni-glide, which is 50 AR watts. So right now we were going to show you 4 different types of tests. The first 2 will be on high and short pile carpet, the third one will be on a hard floor, and the last one will be mild cleaning performance. For hard floor test, we got 100 grams of mixed debris, which are floor, peas, and seeds. Then pour them on the floor and run all vacuum cleaners. According to the video, we can see that Redroad V17 showed the best results. Cleaned everything by one pass, while Xiaomi G10 and Dreame V11 took 2 passes. What about Dyson vacuum cleaners? It just totally messed up. Thankfully, Dyson V15 has a display that can deconcentrate the current matter, so the screen showed that the A plugged. As you know, Dyson Omni-glide has no display, it just stopped working. We assume that the debris were too huge to be cleaned for Dyson vacuum cleaners. On the carpet, we replaced the Dyson V15 with a carpet brush, then took 50 grams of mixed debris, poured it on the floor, and let the vacuum do their own job. As you can see from the video, the performance of the Dyson V15 with the carpet brush is the same as we have seen with Xiaomi G10, Redroad V17, and Dreame V11. All of them showed absolutely great results except Dyson Omni-glide, because Dyson Omni-glide was too bad to be true. It just stopped working in the middle. The HEPA filters of these 5 vacuum cleaners can be easily disassembled, cleaned, and replaced. V17 of the Redroad has a special dual HEPA filter design and inclusive carbon fiber noise reduction system. Let's take a look at the noise reduction effect. It's almost an accepted fact of life that vacuum cleaners make a lot of noise. In this following test, let's find which brand vacuum cleaner is the quietest and which of them is loudest one. So we set up a decibel tester 3 meters away to record the noise of each vacuum cleaner in different gears. And in the low-end mode, the quietest one was Dyson V15. It produced only 61 decibels. Followed by Redroad V17 was around 64. The loudest is Dyson Omni-glide. Its noise reached 71 decibels. Well, the quietest in the high-end mode, it was Redroad V17, only 71 decibels. This is because of the carbon fiber noise reduction HEPA filter system. The noisiest one is Dreame V11. The noise is as high as it was 77 decibels, which is really loud. The noise of the Dyson Omni-glide is not that small, it was around 76 decibels. Redroad V17 is equipped with an OLED color screen that shows a battery level, fuel cap, and consumable parts replacement reminder, for example, HEPA filters, right? And an error alert in certain languages. There is also a trigger lock in the main panel if you want to clean without continuously pressing on the button. Dreame V11 is equipped with the OLED too, but with a different model like 16-bit HD color display. It shows battery levels, traction, maintenance, and HEPA filters. Dyson V15 is equipped with a piezo sensor in runtime countdown clock. The power mode is in use and maintenance alerts such as, for example, when the air channel is clogged or the bin is emptying, right? And Xiaomi G10 is equipped with a TFT HD color display. It shows speed switching indication, as I remember, continuous operation mode, battery level monitoring, and 11 languages, which is really impressive. And Dyson Omni-glide unfortunately has no battery meter or even display. What about battery life? Aside from cleaning power, you will also want to be sure a cordless vacuum cleaner will last long enough for you to get the cleaning done. Battery life varies widely, from as little as 7 minutes of full power for some models to more than 1 hour on others. Largest battery capacity award goes to Dyson V15, but occasionally long battery life award goes to Dreame V11 with 90 minutes of usage time. The strange thing that Xiaomi G10 and Dreame V11 share the same amount of battery capacity, which is 3000 milliamps per hour. How it comes that Xiaomi runs only 65 minutes, I have no clue. And even the Dyson Omni-glide shares the same amount of battery capacity, the battery life, with Redroad V17, which is 2500 milliamps per hour, and still works 20 minutes, while Redroad usage time is 3 times longer. Like, for now, I have a little bit amount of clue, like, why is that? The answer is because all of them, they use different type of vacuum cleaner models. So talking about the battery, among them the Redroad V17, Dyson V15, and Omni-glide removable battery design. So it means that you can purchase additional batteries to increase the life of the vacuum cleaner. For the conclusion, I will share my own opinion about these following 5 handheld cordless quiet vacuum cleaners. So how about Dyson? As everybody knows that the Dyson vacuum cleaners price are really high. So in this current situation, V15 got blocked when the floor was half clean and it's immediately stopped at the end. Well, the display showed that the airway got blocked. So Dreame V11 and Xiaomi G10, so their complaints almost the same. According to our research, we can find only slight difference between them. So Redroad V17 was pretty good, even though for such a low price, it showed up excellent results, like really amazing, so good. Although Dyson Omni-glide ranks second in price compared to other vacuum cleaners, the suction power was really small and the battery lifespan very short, which is a bit unfair comparing with others. At the end of the video, I want to say that vacuum cleaner for home is the best tool replacement for traditional methods of cleaning. May it be saving the time or energy, keeping us in a safe and healthy environment. The vacuum cleaner is by no doubt a tool for betterment of human lives. So yeah, that's all. And please subscribe our channel, put the likes on this video, and write a comment section below. So bye, see ya.